Hey guys, in this video we are going to be making a super simple textured facial scrubby. To get started with this today, I am going to be using a Peaches and Cream cotton yarn. It is a number 4 medium weight yarn with a recommended hook size of 5mm. I do suggest that you watch the video all the way through without working at the same time to understand exactly how it all works, and then come back and watch it again to work it at the same time. So to get started with this, we are going to work a magic circle. And if you need to see how to do this or anything else in this video, there will be links for those videos in the description box below. If you like this video and channel, please give this a like and subscribe and leave me a comment to tell me what you think. Also in the description box you can find the link to my Etsy, and there you can find the written pattern for this pattern, as well as a link to my website, where all of the other art that I make and sell, such as macrame pieces, jewelry, t-shirts, and more can be found. So please check that out if you'd like. And lastly, if you'd like to keep up with what I am up to outside of videos, you can follow me on Instagram at @thecraftnut, and you can also tag me there with the things that you make for my patterns, because I'd love to see your work too. So after you have a magic ring, we are going to start with a chain of 2, which does not count as a stitch. And then we are going to work 16 double crochets around our magic circle. So again, we're just going to work 16 double crochets around our magic circle. When you have 16 double crochets all the way around that magic circle, we can then pull the magic circle closed. And then we can slip stitch into the top of the beginning double crochet of the round, and that is the end of round 1. And again, you should have 16 double crochets at the end of that round. For round 2, we are going to start with the chain of 2, which does not count as a stitch, and we are going to work a double crochet into this same first stitch. And then we're going to work a double crochet around the post of this stitch. So we're going to be working a front post double crochet around this first post, which is a little difficult to get into because of the chain, but it gets easier as you go around. And again, if you need to see how to do that or anything else in this video, there are links for those in the description box below. But that is what we are going to do all the way around this round. So we are now going to, it's kind of hidden back here, but double crochet into the next stitch, into the stitch itself. And then we are going to front post double crochet around the same stitch. So this gives us our texture and our 2 stitches per stitch all the way around, so that we continue with a flat circle. So again, we are going to continue doing that all the way around this round by double crocheting into the next stitch, and then front post double crocheting around the same stitch. And again, continue that all the way around this round. When you've made it all the way around that round, you should have 32 stitches altogether, with 16 regular double crochets and then 16 front post double crochets, again with a double crochet in every stitch all the way around, and a front post double crochet around every post of every stitch all the way around. And when you have finished that round, we will then slip stitch into the top of the beginning double crochet of the round, and that is the end of round 2, and also the end of the facial scrub. So you can now finish off your work and weave in your ends, and then you can make as many as you would like in a set and gift them or put them in your shop. And that's all there is to it. So I hope that that was helpful and enjoyable for you. If it was, please hit that sub, like, and bell button and leave me a comment to tell me what you think. I hope that you guys go on to create many more amazing things. And until next time, guys, I'll see ya.